My name's CJ Donovan from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This is a 1984 cab over 362 single bunk Peterbilt truck. This started out life as a chemical company's fleet truck down in Mississippi. I acquired it and we started from the front, worked all the way to the back. We started out with a wide track Peterbilt low axle for the front on air ride. Did that to help with the rideability of the truck. Accompanied that with a Freightliner flex air suspension in the rear. And truck rides like a dream. It really softened it up. And put bigger fuel tanks on it. Plan on running this truck over the road. And just freshen it up. Gave it a real nice paint job and just freshened the truck up, and looking forward to putting it on the road.